Hi, welcome to Excel Education. In this video, I am going to talk about a random array function. Let us say that we are trying to give an example of marks scored by multiple people Suraj, Suja, Jairam, Sri Lakshmi, Jia, and Ranjit for various subjects like English, Math, Science, Social Science, and Hindi. Let us say that since we are giving only an example, we want to quickly populate this data table with some marks, not an accurate or a certain a specific mark, but some random marks. Okay, just for teaching them some concept. So now I am going to try and teach you people a function called RAND array. So for teaching you guys RAND array, I am going to give some random marks in here. So how do I do that quickly? One option is that I can type one by one here, or let us say 50, 90, 80, 85, 86, 75, like that, so on and so forth, and I can populate the entire cell. However, if I want to have a faster method, what I would do is I will type rand array and I would open the bracket. The moment I open the bracket, it asks me how many rows you have got. As we have already learned, this data table has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows we have got. Likewise, it asks me how many columns we have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have got 5 columns. The moment I press comma, it asks me, you want to give random numbers from what range? Like that is, what is the starting range? Let us say that I want everyone to pass, no one wants to fail. So I start the minimum range from 35. And it asks me what is the maximum marks. The maximum marks that anyone can score is 100. So I give 100 as the maximum and I give it as integers because we don't want a decimal place in it. We want round numbers, so I give it as true and I close it. The moment I press enter, you can see that the entire array gets populated with random numbers. So I'll just do one thing. I'll just copy paste this table and paste it in the same location so that it doesn't change. I'll tell you when it changes. Let us say that I press, let us say that I type something here and press an enter. You can see another random array getting populated there. If you don't want that to happen, see the moment I typed A here, everything got changed once again. So if you don't want that to happen, you can copy and paste just the values. I just use the button Alt H V. This is the shortcut for copy pasting random. Copy pasting. Copy. I mean, it is not for copy pasting. It is pasting values. Pasting just the values. Of course, for copying it is Control plus C, which is for copying values. Copying values and Alt HVV stands for pasting values. Let us say that you copy this. If you type Alt, I'm trying to explain this formula, guys. If you type the button Alt, you get all these buttons in here. So if you type H, then continuously, then you get something called as V in here, which is for paste. And if you type V once again, I don't know why it is shown as black here, but this stands for V. You can see that here. So if you type V once again, it gets pasted. So there is no formula that is applied in here. So whatever you type now, the numbers don't change. I hope that you like this video and RAND array function comes of use to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.